Hi, welcome back. I'm Dr. Ryan Whitaker here with my partner, Dr. Richard Luekenga. We want to talk with you today a little bit about batteries. What's the deal with batteries in hearing aids?
Well, what's the deal with batteries is that we've had battery-operated devices for a long time. You've probably seen these kind of batteries. They're easy to use. They fall out the back, and they usually go in a little device, like this, or a different style. You open the door and put the battery in and it works. But these are usually considered disposable batteries, which means you wear them for about anywhere from 3 to 6 days, and then you have to pitch them, throw them away. They've had rechargeable batteries out for many years. Recently, even as recent as say about 3 to 4 years ago, they came out with a technology called Z-Power. It's a silver zinc technology, and this technology allows us to charge the batteries. You have to line up the battery door with a little metal contact, and works pretty good. The issue we've had with Z-Powers is that that silver zinc technology is only good for about 10 to 16 hours, and then you're done. So if you don't get a good charge, or maybe you're using your cell phone too much, it's not going to last.
Yeah, so there's different types of batteries out there. Like Dr. Luekenga said, the disposable batteries, they've been around for decades. They're reliable, they're pretty easy to use, but it's a little bit of a pain to have to throw the battery out every few days and change it, and it's a little bit of a hassle. The idea of rechargeable is awesome if it works. This Z-Power hearing aid that came out a few years ago and some of the older models, just not super reliable. The battery itself would only last maybe 6 months, 12 months at the most. You had to put a new rechargeable battery in it. They finally got rechargeable batteries right. Even though it's been around for a while, this new lithium ion battery that is in hearing aids is really phenomenal. It's reliable. It's excellent.
Yeah, one of the negatives about it was when it launched, it made the hearing device just a little bit wider on the very bottom of the devices. And so hearing devices had a pattern of getting smaller and smaller and smaller with each 2 to 3 years. What happened with the silver zinc is it did become just a little wider on the back, but the upside to the device is that it lasts so long. It can actually last you probably 24 hours straight. And sometimes if you're not, connecting it with a cell phone or doing something like that, it can even go longer. And so the benefit to it is it's really reliable. It lasts a long time. Because there's no battery door, there's some advantages with that as well.
And I'd say another advantage is it's super easy to charge. There's no connection points. There's no contact points. There's nothing you're plugging in. You literally just drop it in a hole, right there in the charger, and it charges all on its own. So very reliable, lasts a long time. We get asked a lot about how long is this battery going to last. If the silver zinc batteries are only going maybe 6 months, maybe a year at the most, how long is the lithium ion battery going to last in the hearing aid? They say it's going to last a long time. 5 years, 7 years. Yep. It's going to go a long, long time.
Yep. One last point is with a better battery, with a more powerful cell, we're able to see, we believe, and the manufacturers are telling us, increased speeds of processing. So the little circuitry that's working can be more efficient, even quicker, helping us separate noise and speech, helping us be more reliable, more efficient as we go throughout the day. Love the idea of having a perfect battery throughout the entire day so that it's not dipping, it's not lowering, the sound quality's not dampening down in any way. So just more reliable in general. Even the ability, like we were saying, to connect with the cell phone, much better with the lithium ions for sure.
Super consistent. We love the new lithium ion batteries.